So we discussed the example, one more example of continuous random variable for the joint probability function or joint density function, in which we have to calculate marginal distribution function of x and y and marginal density function of x and y. The random variables x and y have the joint density function f of xy is equal to c into 2x plus y, 2 less than x less than 6. So this is the range for the random variable x between 2 to 6. This is the range for the random variable y between 0 to 5. क्या क्या निकालने के लिए बोला है? I have been asked to find value of c, probability for x greater than 3, marginal distribution function of x and y, marginal density function of x and y, are x and y independent. Right now we have seen the different cases for marginal density function, marginal distribution function. Additional thing what we have to calculate over here is value for c and value for probability x greater than 3. देखते हैं. As this is a joint density function which refers to the case of continuous random variable, I will be evaluating the value of c from the given condition that integral from x minus infinity to infinity, integral y is equal to minus infinity to infinity, f of xy dx dy is equal to 1. But my value or range for x is not from minus infinity to infinity. It is for the range 2 to 6. Y is for the range 0 to 5. So integral from x equal to 2 to 6, y equal to 0 to 5, c into 2x plus y dx dy is equal to 1. Integrate first with respect to y, innermost integral, then outermost integral with respect to x. See, as it is 2 into x constant, integration of dy is y, integration of y is y square by 2. So accordingly we integrated first with respect to y. Put the limit as 0 to 5. After putting the limit as 0 to 5, you will get the answer which will be only in the form of x. Then integrate with respect to x, put the upper limit, lower limit, you get the value of constant c as c is equal to 1 upon 210. So our value of c is less than 1. 1 upon 210 is obviously less than 1. Our function now becomes 1 upon 210 into 2x plus y. अभी मुझे प्रोबेबिलिटी कहां से कहां तक निकालना है? प्रोबेबिलिटी फॉर x ग्रेटर देन 3. Nothing is mentioned about y. So complete range of y will be taken between 0 to 5. But x greater than 3 लेना है. But greater than 3 means it will go up to 3 to infinity. But my range of x is restricted till x. X is restricted till 6. So probability x greater than 3 means probability for x will be taken from 3 to infinity. But infinity is not in my range. My range is up to 6, or nothing is mentioned for y. So complete range of y will be taken between 0 to 5. Is this point clear? How to decide the range of x and how to decide the range of y? So whenever probability for x greater than 3 बोला है, so 3 से लेकर कहां तक जाएगा? Infinity. But our x is restricted up to 6. So range of integration will be 3 to 6. Nothing is mentioned for y. So y will be taken for the range 0 to 5, which is a complete range of y is given. And now we have the function. What is our function? C into 2x plus y. What is the value of c calculated? 1 upon 210. Keep it outside. पहले इंटीग्रेशन कर लो y का. 2x constant, integration of dy is y. Integration of y is y square by 2. Put the limit 0 to 5. Answer x में रहेगा. Again integrate with respect to x. So after putting down the limit and doing the calculation, your answer comes out to be 23 by 28. 23 by 28 में denominator is greater than the numerator. That means value of this probability is less than 1. So this probability is calculated. Now what next thing they have asked us to obtain? the marginal distribution function of x. How is marginal distribution function given by capital F1 of x? Capital F1 of x में x के लिए जब निकालना है तो u is minus infinity to x, v is complete minus infinity to infinity f of uv du dv. But x का रेंज कहां से कहां तक है? 2 to 6. So for x less than 2, function will not be defined. Capital F1 of x is 0. For the range 2 to 6, the value will be taken up to x. So this integral of u will be 2 to x and v will be completely 0 to 5. v यानी y का लिमिट लेना है उसके लिए 0 to 5 and function will be 1 upon 210 2u plus v du dv. क्या बोला था मैंने? पहले आप इंटीग्रेट कर लो आइदर विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v एंड पुट द लिमिट और विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. सो पहले मैंने यहां पर क्या किया है? इंटीग्रेशन किया है विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू v. सो 2u into v plus v square by 2, put the limit 5 and 0, उसका आंसर आ गया. नाउ इंटीग्रेट दैट विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू u, फिर उसका आंसर आएगा 5u square plus 25 by 2u and put the limit 2 to x. तो अपना फंक्शन जो रहेगा वो किस में आएगा? x में आएगा. नाउ टू रेंज ऑफ x इज बिटवीन 2 to 6. ग्रेटर देन 6 के लिए फंक्शन क्या रहेगा? पूरा वैल्यू लेंगे 2 to 6 एंड 0 to 5 एंड उसका आंसर कितना आना चाहिए? हमेशा 1. द आंसर फॉर द प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन फॉर अ रैंडम वेरिएबल फॉर द रेंज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 6 यानी क्या रहेगा? 2 to 6 एंड 6 to infinity. 6 to infinity के लिए फंक्शन नहीं है, 2 to 6 के लिए एंड 0 to 5. v is constant, so integrate accordingly between the range 2 to 6, 0 to 5. Your answer for the distribution function will always be 1. See, in paper you have to be very careful. अगर रेंज के पहले से पूछा है तो उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन क्या रहेगा? 0. रेंज के बियॉन्ड पूछा है तो उसका डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फंक्शन हमेशा कितना आएगा? 1. उसमें ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना है. बिटवीन द रेंज अगर पूछा तो ही अपने को एक बार इंटीग्रेशन करना है जिसका आंसर x में आएगा, या y के लिए पूछा है तो y के लिए आएगा. क्या करना है? ओनली इंटीग्रेट बिटवीन द लिमिट्स ऑफ x बट अप टू x, not up to the upper bound, and for v the complete range whatever of the integration is given to you. So read the question minutely. If for the distribution function it is less than 2 before the starting range, blindly write the distribution function as 0. If the distribution function is beyond the range, it will be surely 1, and in between the range it will be giving you answer in the form of x, which is to be obtained with the help of the integration. Now immediately from the distribution function I can calculate the density function. How is density function? Density function is calculated by taking the derivative. So distribution function कैसे लिखा है? For x less than 2 it is 0. Between the range 0 to 6 it is obtained in the form of x. You can see the calculation over here. And beyond the range x greater than equal to 6, the answer is obtained as 1. Is this point clear for the marginal distribution function for x? Is this okay? Now immediately we can calculate the marginal density function. How is marginal density function for x? Marginal density function for x is obtaining the derivative. Constant के लिए derivative will be 0, and for this particular term 2x square plus 5x minus 18, the derivative will be 4x plus 5 upon 84. So marginal density function for the random variable x is 4x plus 5 upon 84. Now what is left? We have to calculate the marginal distribution function for random variable y. What is the formula for that? f2 of y, u from minus infinity to infinity, v will be varying from minus infinity to y, f of uv du dv. For y less than 0, what is the range for y? Range for y is 0 to 5. For y less than 0, distribution function will be 0. For the range 0 less than y less than 5, integration to be done up to y. u will be 2 to 6, y will be, v will be 0 to y. Integrate pehle with respect to u, solve the integration, then integrate with respect to v, answer will be in the form of y. इसका डेरिवेटिव जब लिया जाएगा, अभी ग्रेटर देन 5 लोगे तो उसका रेंज आंसर कितना आएगा, ब्लाइंडली 1 आएगा, because it is integrated between 2 to 6 and 0 to 5. So distribution function for random variable y, starting range के लिए 0, middle range के लिए it is obtained in the form of y, and greater than range के लिए answer will always be cumulative addition which is equal to 1. Marginal density function will be obtained from the derivative of this distribution function. What is the derivative of this distribution function? Coming out as 2y plus 16 upon 105. यहाँ पर derivative देखो, 2y plus 16, 105 will be constant. So derivative of that is 2y plus 16 upon 105. So this is marginal distribution function, and from that we have calculated the marginal density function for the joint continuous random variable. The last part what they have asked us to check whether x and y are independent or not. Now what is your joint density function? Joint density function given to you is now c into 2x plus y. What is the value of c obtained as? Value of c is obtained as 1 upon 210. So what is our function coming out as? 2x plus y upon 210. But if you take the product of marginal density function for x and y, what is marginal density function for x? 4x plus 5 upon 84. What is marginal density function for y? 2y plus 16 upon 105. ये दोनों का प्रोडक्ट अगर लेते हैं, it is not equal to 2x plus y upon 210, क्योंकि 105 into 84 will never give you 210. So f1 of x into f2 of y is 4x plus 5 into 2y plus 16 upon the product, which is not equal to original function, which is 2x plus y upon 210. So in this case, the marginal product of marginal density function of x and product and marginal density function of y is not equal to joint probability function. So x and y are not independent random variable. So in this example, we discussed how to calculate the value of c and how to calculate the marginal density function, marginal probability function.